Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready. Correct organization, project, and delete permissions. First, sign into Azure DevOps and pick the project. Once done, click Pipelines in the left navigation to surface your YAML and classic pipeline listings. You want to identify the exact pipeline name and linked branch so you don't remove the wrong one. Make sure service connections or agent pools tied to it are noted. That helps later. Now you're ready to select the pipeline you intend to remove. You've opened the pipeline details. Take a moment to inspect recent runs and any artifact or release links so you understand impact. Next, click the ellipsis menu or manage to reveal delete or remove. Select delete and read the confirmation dialog carefully. Azure DevOps may ask to remove only the pipeline definition verses, also deleting build artifacts or releases. Choose the appropriate option based on your earlier inspection. This prevents accidental loss. Confirm the deletion and watch the background job complete. Azure DevOps will remove the pipeline definition from the list. Once deleted, clean up any stale variable groups, service connections, or agent queue references that are no longer needed to avoid confusion. If deletion fails, don't panic. Make sure no active runs are still executing, verify you have the required permissions, and check for linked resources like boards or repos preventing removal. If needed, reassign permissions or cancel runs, and then retry the delete action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.